Hello, friends. So today we're going to continue our Seth series. Okay. So let's just go over some sounds and spellings that you're going to hear. Okay. These are sounds and spellings that we actually went over already. So you're going to hear the sound like in Seth or things or think. You're also going to hear the sound z. Okay. That's the buzzing TH sound in the word this. Okay. Now, you're also going to hear the new sound that we learned about on Wednesday, ing, in the word things, strong, sing, and songs. Okay? All right. So, today in our Seth series, we're going to be reading about Seth's mom. Okay? But before we do that, let me go ahead and review. This is the front cover. And remember, the front cover always has the title, and it always lets us know what our stories are going to be about. Okay. And if you notice, the title begins with an uppercase letter. Okay. And it always begins with an uppercase letter. Be sure that you're listening to the story because you're going to have to answer some questions about Seth's mom in the near pod. So these are the titles of the different stories that we're going to be reading about Seth in the future. But today we're going to be reading Seth's mom. Okay. So now we're going to go over and look at the page number, and we need to go to page 8. Okay. All right. Listen carefully. Seth's mom. This is Pat. Pat is Seth's mom. Pat can fix things. Wow, that's awesome. Pat can scrub, plan, and think. These are some things you need to lock in your brain because you're going to have some questions to answer. Pat is strong. Pat can run fast. Make sure you're listening. Pat can sing songs. All right, I'm going to read it one more time. Listen carefully. This is Pat. Pat is Seth's mom. And did you see those letter teams? Did you see this? Did you hear z and this? And did you hear the silent f in Seth's? Pat can fix things. It had the silent f and it had ing. Can you read this with me? Ready? Pat can fix things. Good. Pat can scrub, plan, and think. I had the silent f and think. Pat is strong. It had ing. Pat can run fast. Let's read this together. Ready? Pat is strong. Pat can run fast. Good. Pat can sing songs. Can you read that with me? Ready? Pat can sing songs. Good. All right, so now it is time to go to Nearpod. Okay, I hope you were paying attention to answer those questions. Remember to do your best. All right, bye-bye.